Hey guys, NASCAR reaction with 5 laps to go in the truck race at Darlington. Chastain and Carson Hocevar, who are Cup guys, who don't belong in this series, are going to probably win the race. I don't know though. Hocevar looks like he has a flat. Hopefully they wreck each other. That'd be great. Please wreck each other. There's the gap between 1 and 2. 4 to go. See if we can figure this out. Oh, Hocevar into the wall. Caution. See you for a restart. Let's go. Here we go. Overtime in the truck race here at Darlington. Honeycutt on the outside, Chastain on the inside. Come on, Caden. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? Green flag. You see exactly what he did right there. What we were saying. He tried to roll that timing. He got away with a pretty close restart, but he's Eckes with the huge shove. Oh, Ankrum's got an issue. Oh boy, there's the... Oh my gosh. See you for another restart. Here we go with tap number 2. Here we go. Who's going to get the launch? Green flag. Good start there. Here comes Corey Heim. Might be too little, too late for all these guys. Here comes Corey Heim. Holy crap. White flags in the air here at Darlington. One more time around for Ross Chastain. This is going to be crazy. Holy crap, here comes Corey Heim. Down the back straightaway for the final time. Does Heim have enough time? Oh my goodness. Into 3 and 4. Corey Heim's going to dive it in deep on Chastain. What a move. Oh, he's going to pull them off. Corey Heim's going to win the race. Oh my goodness. For the 24th time in his career, it's Heim time. Corey Heim wins the Darlington truck race. Surprise!